Hello everyone, I'm Rinku Dhiman, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department at RP Medical and Technical Campus Karnal. So today we are going to discuss about the vacuum circuit breaker. So in vacuum circuit breaker, we will utilize the vacuum as a medium for the quenching of our arc that is produced during the circuit breaker operation. And vacuum circuit breaker nowadays are very important, as well as like SF6 circuit breaker, and this is have a very good characteristic of distinguish this arc production during its operation. So we'll discuss the vacuum circuit breaker construction, working, and what are its advantages further in slides. So vacuum circuit breakers are basically use the vacuum as a quenching medium. So we can see that vacuum offers a high insulating strength. So that is the main reason actually we will utilize this vacuum as a medium of arc quenching. And also it has a superior arc quenching properties than other type of medium like air, oil, etc. And we can say that when there is a contact movement of breaker around whenever there is opening in vacuum, then interruption occur at first current 0 and with dielectric strength between the contact building up, and that is nothing but 100, or we can say the 1000 time higher than no other circuit breaker. So say we can say that like in oil circuit breaker and air blast circuit breaker, there is a very less dielectric strength, so they don't behave like a very good insulating materials. And in that case we will utilize the vacuum circuit breaker because they have a very high dielectric strength. So vacuum circuit breaker have the basically construction part like it have a like arc chamber is this one. So it have two contacts, fixed contact and the moving contact we can say, and these are our nothing but end plates. This plate and this plate, these are our end plate. Okay, so this plate is our fixed side and this plate is our moving side plate we can say. Then the next is that it is also a metallic blow over here. So this is a metallic plate over connected there. Then this is our gas enclosure. So the arc production will be not go outside, so it will not create any kind of noise, right? So again there is a vapor condensing shield will be there, as the vacuum will be condensed due to arc production, so the precipitation will be no go outside. So advantages of the vacuum circuit breakers are they are compact, reliable, and longer life. So these are the main advantages of this circuit breaker in comparison to our oil circuit breaker and air blast circuit breaker. It has a long lifespan, and they are very reliable in their operations. And there are no fire hazards like in oil circuit breaker and air blast circuit breaker. There is a maximum chances of hazard of fire basically, but here is no that kind of risk like that. And they can interrupt any fault current. Due to their dielectric strength, they can interrupt any kind of fault current. And as the components are very minimum, fixed contact and moving contact, and one is the metallic shield basically, and so they require the very less maintenance in comparison to other circuit breaker like oil and air blast circuit breaker. And finally they have low arc energy, so it will reduce the current 0 whenever there will be a fault occur, and that due to its dielectric strength, so arc energy will be very less. Conclusion, if we'll talk about the vacuum circuit breakers or simple circuit breaker, they are important part of our electrical network and protect every device from the device. And so they also help to detect the fault by using the relay sensing elements. And nowadays vacuum circuit breaker and SF6 circuit breakers are widely used due to their reliability and fast operations. And also one of the advantage, they have a very high dielectric strength as well. Thank you very much. This is all about the vacuum circuit breakers. We already discussed with number of circuit breakers. Please stay tuned with us for more videos on circuit breaker or electrical circuit. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.